Hi, good evening. This is Chef Peter Pinto from La Brisbane Hotel. So I'll be doing a very interesting thing, which are pork ribs. Pork ribs with a barbecue sauce in Oriental style. Pepper, barbecue sauce, oyster sauce, a 2 teaspoons, some tomato puree, 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of Chinese spice powder, cinnamon stick, peppercorns, and cloves. These are nicely marinated. So you can take a grill pan and add some oil. So put some ribs. By the time it's cooking, when the pan is hot, you can put some oil. These are nice fresh pork chops which are cleaned and kept. So you can just saute it, remove it in a bowl. The next step is to saute our vegetables. I will use olive oil. As the oil is hot, you can just add some good vegetables, exotic vegetables, which are broccoli, baby corn, zucchini, beans, and carrot. Now the vegetables are done. Just remove the vegetables out. So next, I think our lamb chops are cooked. So our lamb chops are perfectly cooked. You can see the color and the glaze. So you can just lower the flame. Next thing I'll do is vegetables, some baby corns, some zucchini, some beans, some broccoli. Next we're taking some pork chops. So these are the ribs ready. You can put some barbecue sauce on the pan so that it takes all the taste of the pork ribs and the trimmings, the drippings which are come from the pork. Pork are nicely done. I'll be taking some of the sauce from the pan and I'll be pouring it on the ribs. The last finishing I'll be doing is with the sesame. And I'll be garnishing with the coriander sprig right on the top of the rib. Here the delicious pork ribs, barbecue pork ribs are done with a barbecue sauce in an Oriental style. You can go home and do it by yourself and you can enjoy it. Thank you.
Very nice. It's all better than the food that I'm used to. A little more of the, because it's a big piece, right? So when you keep biting it, the sauce gets a little lost. So,
really good.
Thank you very much.
I like it. Good job.
Thank you very much.
Today we are going to do is egg burji. Today we are going to do a Bakri special, that is mutton biryani. Today we are doing is egg curry.